She made one phone call, and because of it, her love is now traveling through the stars. In 1977, Anne Druyan was helping Carl Sagan build the Voyager Golden Record, a disk meant to represent all of humanity aboard a spacecraft headed into deep space. Somewhere in the middle of that work, she fell in love with him. She called him to tell him. He felt exactly the same way. Days later, she sat in a recording studio and let scientists attach sensors to her body and record her brainwaves. She thought about being in love with Carl Sagan the entire time. Those brainwaves went onto the record. The record went on to Voyager 1. That spacecraft is now in interstellar space, further from Earth than anything humans have ever sent. It carries her heartbeat. It carries her thoughts of him. Carl Sagan died in 1996. Anne Druyan has said she still thinks about what it means that her love for him is out there, moving away from us forever, long after every city and every memory of them is gone. One phone call, now in the stars.